My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Bmw X3 M Sport. This car has done just over 88,000 miles and it has an automatic transmission. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. Inside we can see features such as notifications, my vehicle, connected drive, navigation, communication, as well as media and radio. We have heated seats on either side, and we can choose from a variation of driving modes. So we have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. This X3 also comes with parking sensors, so if we put it in reverse, we can see those now. As we enter the back of the vehicle, we can see that it's complete with a full leather cream interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.